Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to close a trade on Bybit, whether you want to exit instantly or manage positions more carefully. There are a few ways to close your trade immediately at the current market price. The Quick Close button on the chart lets you exit your entire position in one click. If you're in the Positions tab, you can select Market under Close By, enter the quantity you want to close, and adjust your slippage tolerance, which sets the maximum price difference you're willing to accept. This works for partial or full closures. If you prefer the order window, in one-way mode, simply place an opposite direction market order equal to your current position size. For example, to close a 1 BTC long position, place a 1 BTC short order. Just be careful not to exceed your position size, or a new position in the opposite direction could open. In hedge mode, you can use the Close tab to place a close order directly. Finally, the Close All button allows you to exit all open positions at the market price. You can choose to apply this to all instruments or just the one you're trading. By default, a confirmation window appears, but this can be turned off in your trading preferences. And that's it! Using these methods, you can manage your trades efficiently and avoid unexpected losses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Bybit and crypto trading tips.